Yes. So now we can click on your trusty server 4590, this name. Just click. Can you hear me? I cannot hear you. Kindly unmute and then. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. So click on the trusty server 459017.
I should click.
Yes, yes. Click trusty server 45901017 i7.
Where?
It's the top right corner. Trusty server 45901017 i7.
I should click.
Yeah, yeah. Click.
I click. Then it shows my email, my letters, my email. Abu Zaid sign out, project info, change cloud project, register new cloud project.
So your project is already created. There is no problem.
But I cannot create. I mean, like create a file. Whenever I want to create, I don't understand how it's just wing. But this is the project name.
So you can create the new. Just click the register new cloud project. Just click and then try create the new. Otherwise, I think it creates some problem.
Okay. Yeah. I register. Okay.
But I cannot see your second screen. It's not showing. It's just showing only for the Google Earth Engine code editor. Yeah, opening. Yeah, got it. So now go to the below. Go to the below.
Below.
And you can see the go to the up. Go to the up. Go to the up. Go to the up section. Yeah, up.
Okay.
Yeah, you can see the select tire. Yeah, this one. So this is the new update of Google Earth Engine. So you can see the select tire. There is a two option. So now
community and contributor.
When you make the contributor, you need to add the payment option, but it's not cutting your payment. So now, do you have the Visa card or not?
Visa card?
Yeah, maybe your Visa bank card.
Yes, I have.
I think it's better. You can use the community. It will be more better. There is no need bank information. Okay, but contributor need the bank information. Because the active billing account is required, but community is not need. Just click on the community. It will be better for the student. Yeah, yeah. Then update tire.
Update tire.
Yeah. Yeah. So now it's updating. I hope. Yeah, it's successfully done. So now your code editor again.
Code editor.
Yeah, just open the code editor again. So basically, this is a new update information about the Google Earth Engine. You must use the tire. Okay, community tire or contribute tire. Community tire don't need the billing information, but community tire must need the billing information, but not their charge. So now go to the code editor again. Just open and share. I hope it will be okay. There is no problem now.
I should go to the code editor.
Yeah, yeah. Just open and show me that also. I cannot see it. Show the Google Cloud. Yeah. And reload it.
Reload it.
It's not reload. Reload your tab. Yes. Yes, done. You can see now yellow color sign is moved. Okay, you can see there is no yellow color symbol. So now it's perfect. There is no problem. I hope you try now. I hope there is no problem.
So, okay. If I want to now create a file now.
Yeah.
How will I do? Because now like I click here, new, repository, folder, file.
So create a folder. Create a folder.
I should create a folder, okay?
Yeah. Then put the folder name.
Folder name, untitled folder.
You can put any name.
Put any name.
Okay. Any name. Okay.
Okay. I
then
put any name. Okay.
Okay. So now it create the folder. You can see the owner.
Okay, under the owner.
Yeah. And click users. Yeah, this one. So this is your folder, daddy.
Yes, I
So
see the folder
yeah.
here.
But there is no. You can see the file. You can add the Abu Jaid and this G. So you can see this is your script. So further, when you write the script, simply save. It will be saved under the folder. When you save
Okay.
any code, it will be saved under the folder.
So this I already like tried this the Abu Zaid GGE. So they are not inside the folder.
Okay, it's inside the daddy folder.
No any. You see?
So there is no code. There is no code. So that's why it's showing the blank. So you can write the code. Suppose simply write the print.
Okay.
Suppose print. So write the print.
Okay. Sorry. Print.
And then put the parenthesis and write anything.
Okay.
Put the bracket, first bracket.
Okay.
And put the suppose anything.
Maybe 20.
And now run. Click to the run. And save it. Now save it.
I should save it here.
You can see the save. Gatling save.
Save as.
Yeah, save as. Click. And put the new name or any name you can put, no problem.
So now something just appear on this and maybe you are seeing my screen.
I can see your screen.
Yeah.
Yes.
So it's copy Abu Zaid copy.
You can put any name. Just remove and put any name.
Okay, if I just allow it, maybe new save.
Yeah, just okay. Okay. So now I can see it will be save. Okay.
Okay,
save.
good.
Okay. So now when you write the code, just follow this way and save it. So for the future, you can also use it. No problem.
So, but always if I want to save like this, I create folder or file.
No. Just use the one folder. Okay. Just use the one folder. One folder, you added all of file.
So now I created new save. If I want to put another thing under the same folder, how I do?
So create the another folder again.
Okay.
And put the folder name. Then okay. So now create the another folder.
Again. I created another folder.
Yeah, you can see the Hampital. So now you want to store. Suppose this new save file, you can simply store. So click on the new save. Click on the new save, right click. Or
right click.
Or press the right click.
Just on it. I should right click.
On it.
I right click.
And press and drag.
Press?
Yeah, just pressing and then move. And move to your folder. Hampital or Daddy, which you want to save. Yeah, then it will be go to this folder. Okay, now click on the petal. Okay, you can see it will be go to the petal. Okay, your file.
Yes, it's under it.
Yeah.
Oh.
So just press and then drag and then put your folder name. Then it will be stored in your specific folder name.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Okay. So I will send you all of material. You try to watch. Okay, and further face any problem, we will talk about that. And this is the new update for community tier. So any wizards don't use it. So then we can get the YOLO sign on your beside on your project name, YOLO sign. So now you can see you just rewrite. So then there is no problem. So try to community, contributor or community. Community don't need the billing information, but contributor need the billing information. So this is the new update of Google Earth Engine. And I hope after some days, all of people also get this type of message if they are not use the tier. Must use the tier, all of people. Okay. So yeah.
Okay, I also want to share my my QGIS.
Yes.
This is what it shows.
It show the Google Earth Engine. Just open the QGIS.
Yes, I want to show the. No. Oh, sorry, because I'm trying to.
I cannot see the screen.
Oh, sorry. Oh, oh.
Yes, I can see.
So you see, this one is showing just on title. I started learning it just on my own, following some YouTubes.
In the empty project.
This one.
Double click. So now go to the plugins.
Has manage plugins.
Manage plugins and search here Google Earth Engine.
I already, you can see.
I cannot see the plugin option. Plugin page not showing.
Huh? It's not showing.
Showing the QGIS plugin tab not showing. When you click, it's not showing.
Google. Already Google Earth Engine is already there. I already installed. Update. Even I installed already.
Okay, so then there is no problem. You can simply click on the raster.
Yes. Rasta, yes.
But other tab not showing. I don't know why it's not showing the other tab. When you click the raster, it's not showing anything.
You are seeing the Rasta now?
I can see the raster, but when you click the raster, other tab not showing.
Oh, how? But you see,
I think you're not sharing the entire screen, so that's why it creates this type of problem. So you need to change every tab. I think you select the tab. So that's why it creates the problem.
now you can see?
No.
Oh, entire screen.
I think you cannot understand about the entire screen, so that's why it creates some problem.
So what? Why is not showing?
Okay, you can stop the sharing. I will show you that how to share properly. Okay. And you try again do this. Just stop the sharing.
Okay, stop the sharing. Okay.
Okay, so for sharing the entire screen, just click on the present now button. After that, you can see the three tab: Chrome tab, Window tab, and entire screen. Select the entire screen and choose the select the entire screen and click on the share button. So then it will be share the full screen.
Where? You said?
So now check the video I sent you in the WhatsApp group. Let's check the video. So now you can see all of things in my screen. There is no problem. When I click on the plugins, we can get the manage plugins. All of this it's available. Click on the present now button. After that, you can see the three tab: Chrome tab, Window tab, and entire screen. Select the entire screen and choose the select the entire screen and click on the share button. So then it will be share the full screen.
Okay.
Follow the step or not?
I'm following now.
Okay, try.